This is Pratham Saldhi from CPE 187, and we are performing lab 6, the breadboard part. So first of all, I go to the options icon, go to debug, and select the Stellaris driver, which is already selected here for us. Okay, and go to project, do a build target, and just for safety, do a load, and then finally we do a debug. Now we move on to our microcontroller. So first of all, we press the reset button. This should turn the blue LED on. Here we see the blue LED turning on. And now if we press the switch 1, this blue LED should be flashing after every 100 milliseconds. So I've pressed the switch 1 and we see the blue LED flashing after every 100 milliseconds. And that's the lab 6.